Good morning, guys. I'm having this problem with betaflight configurator software download USB options. Now, let me just make something clear. I'm not a big YouTube vlogger type person, so you're not going to see any fancy introduction or anything like that. So, without further ado, let me get into it. All right. So, I'm going to open betaflight, which is right here, configurator. Alright, let it boot up a little bit. I'm running Windows XP. Alright, so here it is. So, I've already downloaded this betaflight black box log viewer. Alright, the firmware source code can be downloaded from here. I already did that. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do there. If I'm supposed to do anything there, you guys can let me know if I'm missing something. All right, so this is the one I'm getting problems with. The latest STM USB VC P driver can be downloaded here. All right, so let's do that. All right, I did that. So I guess my internet browser is supposed to come up. I'm using Edge, Microsoft Edge, and I'm getting this. Sorry, page not found. We're sorry the page or document you requested is not available. The URL entered might either be no longer valid or the requested service may be temporarily unavailable. Please verify the address has been entered correctly. The links below and the search function located in the page header may also be helpful to find the requested information. So that's what I'm finding. Now, prior to doing this, I had downloaded betaflight from the internet, and I think it was, it was a earlier release, and I'm just gonna open File Explorer, the downloads. All right, so here we are. All right, so I had downloaded it before, which is this, the one that I clicked and got the 404 no longer found, page not found. It was this. So this is the extracted file from this. All right, so I go ahead and open that. Okay, so I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm running XP, and there is Windows 8 and there's Windows 7. So I'm thinking, well, the latest version close to XP is probably Windows 8. My guess. All right, if I'm wrong, you guys could correct me. All right. So, and it's 64-bit. So I'm gonna click on 64-bit. That pops up. Click yes. Installation begun. I'm gonna let you guys. I'm gonna hold my phone in so there's no pausing in between. So I'll let you know. There was quick to see well if it's thing. I'm gonna minimize that so when the thing comes up, it'll show. So this is real time recording, no pausing in between. That's the full thing. Alright, if you're hearing a noise in the background, that's my little fan. Alright. Okay, so this is what came up, the installation shield wizard. Welcome to the installation wizard for virtual comport driver. The installation wizard will install virtual comport driver on your computer. To continue, click next. Next. Alright, so I'm gonna put in my name. Yeah, I'm gonna let you see that too. Alright, my business. I'm a photographer, so I'm gonna put that in there. Alright, so that's it. So install this application for anyone who uses computer, which is just me. So I'm just gonna select, keep that selected, leave that selected, and I'm gonna click next. Alright, it tells you where it's gonna be installed, destination folder. blah blah blah. All right, so click next. All right, virtual comport setup is performing requested operations. All right, so that came up in the back. All right, so it says completing the device driver installation wizard. The drivers were successfully installed on the computer. You can now connect your device to this computer. If your device came with installation, please read them first. All right, click finish. All right, so that comes up. All right, setup is finished installing virtual comport driver on your computer. Your internet connection can be used to make sure that you have the latest updates. So let's check the internet connection, shall we? So as you can see here, it says all 4 bars. And let's just test it just in case, huh? So I'm gonna pull up YouTube. Oh, that's just my wife and I in the background. Beautiful picture. I love my wife. She's the best. Alright, so YouTube. I'm a boy Popcorn. It always comes up for some reason when I'm opening YouTube. Alright, so let's just pause it just to make sure that the internet is running. Alright. I'm a favorite artist right there. Alright, so we have internet. So yes, check for program updates, which is recommended. Please ensure that your connection to the internet before you proceed, which is we already established. Alright, so click finish. And there's where things start to get, yeah, this is the point right here. This is my problem right here. Alright, so it says the update service does not recognize this product. Please contact your software vendor for updates to this product. Error 13001, product not registered with the update service. Alright, so that's what I'm getting. This is where I think the problem starts, and I don't know where the end is. But alright, so I click finish. So now after I did that, on a previous YouTube vloggers video with betaflight, right? I've seen him when he pulled up this is supposed to change, right? Up here is supposed to change to something. Alright, and for his Zadig, well, I already downloaded, like I told you, from the previous version on the internet, where I got these from. This is the older betaflight, or the youngest, and this is the oldest. Well, the oldest and the youngest. So the youngest would be the fresh one, and the oldest would be the later previous one. Alright, so this one is the one that I have installed. This one was previous. I already had one well, I think it's this one, but alright. So so I got the Zadig something from here. Alright, so I already installed these things, which is after, which I think it's this CP210X drivers. Alright, let's download the Zadig, because I'm not sure if I'm seeing it. Oh, here it is. Here it is. So this is the Zadig, and this is where, alright, put that in. Alright, so I'm supposed to go to options, list all devices, and I'm supposed to see the STM thing, which I tried to install. It's not here, and these are the only options that I'm seeing. If you look closely, these are the only options I'm seeing from the list all devices. I'm not seeing that here, so I don't know if there's a substitute I can select for it. Alright, so I don't know. This is where I'm stuck. So now I have this, the impulse RC driver fixer. I'm gonna select it. Alright, as we have the, you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. And up comes this. Now, this is gonna be running. Oh, I forgot to plug this in. Alright, so let's plug this in, and you'll hear a beep from my drone. So we've established that it's not a dead flight controller, so there you have it. And boom, I'm stuck here for eternity, I think. So if there is anyone that could help me out to find out what is my problem and help me fix it, I'll greatly appreciate it. I want to get my drone up in the air as soon as possible for my business. Alright, so I think I'm gonna end this right here because it's just gonna run. I don't want to waste your time, and this is just it. So let me know what I need to do, what needs to be done, and what I didn't do, or what I should do. Alright, so this is Robert signing out.